Very good morning, student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal. As a physics teacher representing Shantipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda student, today I am taking the chapter number 5, Motion in a Plane, class 11 Physics from the NCERT. The topic name, Parallelogram Law of Vector Addition. Before the parallelogram law of vector addition, you know that about the triangle law. In case of any triangle, student, here the directions are, लेट वी कंसिडर डायरेक्शन, ये और ये इन दोनों की डायरेक्शन सेम है और ये ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. लेट वी कंसिडर ए बी सी इज अ एनी ट्राइंगल. ओके स्टूडेंट, and AB will be equal of vector A and BC will be equal of vector B, and the direction of vector A and vector B both are same. आप ये मत सोचिए क्लॉकवाइज है या एंटी क्लॉकवाइज है. The direction of A and the direction of B both are same, and the direction of are opposite to A and B. Okay student, the direction of A and the direction of B are same, and the direction of R opposite to A and B, such that vector R are known as resultant side. First one, what is the meaning of the resultant side? आप याद रखेंगे resultant side, that means जिसकी डायरेक्शन दोनों की डायरेक्शन के क्या होती है, ऑपोजिट. सर ये कितने हैं, हाउ मेनी साइड्स आर देयर, 3 साइड्स. दैट मीन्स सर कितनी डायरेक्शन होगी, 3. तो किसी भी कंडीशन में आप कुछ भी कर लीजिए, 2 डायरेक्शन हमेशा सेम होगी. आप कैसा भी डायग्राम बनाएंगे 2 डायरेक्शन सेम होगी और तीसरी क्या होगी, ऑपोजिट. तो ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन वाली जो साइड होगी उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, रिजल्टेंट साइड. सो capital R are known as the resultant side, and capital R will be equal of capital A plus capital B. This is known as vector addition law of a triangle. But today we study about the parallelogram law of vector addition. What is the mean of the parallelogram? पहले हम ये भी देखते हैं, छोटी छोटी बेसिक चीज देखेंगे. parallelogram is a type of a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal. That means that this side will be equal of this side and this side will be equal of this side. Parallelogram is a type of quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel to each other. This type of quadrilateral are known as parallelogram. Okay student, we have to derive a vector addition law for parallelogram. Let we consider OABC. OABC is a any parallelogram. Okay student, OABC is a any parallelogram. Here OB is a any diagonal. How many diagonals are there? क्वाड्रिलेटरल में कितने डायगोनल होते हैं, 2. ठीक है, एक इस डायरेक्शन में और दूसरा इस डायरेक्शन में. ओके स्टूडेंट, OABCD. OABC is a parallelogram. What is the proper definition of the parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Let we consider OA will be equal of vector A and AB will be equal of, देखिए यहाँ पर मैंने डायरेक्शन भी बता दिया, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ OA that means O to A and the direction of AB that means A to B. OA will be equal of A and let us consider two vectors, capital A and capital B are completely respected by the OA and OB of the parallelogram. That means OA side OA will be equal of vector A and side OB will be equal of vector B. But by property of parallelogram, we can write OA will be equal of BC. That means the opposite sides are equal, such that BC will be equal of vector A. BC will be equal of vector A, and again by the same property this side will be equal of this side. That means we can say OC equal to AB. OC will be equal of AB. That means OC will be equal of vector B, vector A and vector B. Due to this vector A, this side will be equal of vector A and this side will be equal of vector B. Okay student, now टाइम टू डिफाइन द डायरेक्शन. आप कंफ्यूज होंगे इन दोनों की डायरेक्शन को लेके, तो आप ध्यान से देखिए. मैं अभी पर्टिकुलर ये पार्ट ले रहा हूँ. लेट वी कंसीडर द दिस पार्ट ऑफ द पेलोग्राम विच बिहेव लाइक अ ट्राइंगल. हियर द डायरेक्शन ऑफ ओ ए, ठीक है, O to A and the direction between the AB, A to B. Now we take the direction of OB from O to B and let this will be equal of capital R. Let OB will be equal of vector R. And what is the mean of the OB? Here the direction of A and the direction of B both are same and the direction of R opposite to A and B, such that vector R are known as resultant side. So by using vector law of triangle, we can say vector R will be equal of vector A plus vector B. इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट. आपको ये बात समझ आ गई? ठीक है, मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे डेरिवेशन ड्राइव करना है फॉर द कैपिटल R बट फॉर द पैरेललोग्राम लॉ. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द वेक्टर ट्राइंगल लॉ वी नो दैट रिजल्टेंट साइड विल बी इक्वल ऑफ सम ऑफ अदर two sides. That means vector R will be equal of vector A plus vector B. Student, now let we consider a angle with the diagonal will be equal of alpha. Okay, and the total angle will be equal of theta. Now we can draw a simple perpendicular from the point B on OA. देखिए, we draw a perpendicular from the point B on OA naming capital N. We can draw a perpendicular BN on ON. Okay student, एंगल विल बी इक्वल ऑफ, ये अल्फा है तो बाय प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल दिस एंगल विल बी इक्वल ऑफ अल्फा एंड दिस विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 90 डिग्री. ओके स्टूडेंट, यहाँ तक तो आपको सभी को समझ आया. ध्यान से देखिए, ओ ए सबसे पहले हमने लिया, ओ ए विल बी इक्वल ऑफ वेक्टर ए एंड ओ बी विल बी इक्वल ऑफ वेक्टर बी. बाय द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम वी नो दैट बोथ ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. Now simply capital R is a resistance because the direction of R is opposite to the direction of A and the direction of B. Now we draw a simple perpendicular from the point B on line ON naming BN. Okay student, now we take this part of question. This part, that means we take the part triangle alpha. Here A, here N and here B. This angle will be equal of 90 degree and this will be equal B. Okay student, now we taking one time sin theta and one time cos theta. In a triangle ANB sin theta, what is the mean of the sin theta and what is the mean of the cos theta? Sin theta will be equal of perpendicular by hypotenuse and cos theta will be equal of base by hypotenuse. Perpendicular, what is the mean of the perpendicular? That means BN and hypotenuse, that means AB. Okay student, again base, that means AN and hypotenuse, that means AB, such that the value of AB will be equal of vector B, and BN is the same, AN is the same. Student, sin theta will be equal of BN by B, or you can written BN by vector B by use of the cross multiply. ठीक है, ध्यान से देखिए, अगर जो आपको समझाऊं तो रफ में साइन थीटा विल बी इक्वल ऑफ बी एन बाय वेक्टर बी बाय यूज ऑफ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई। ठीक है, बी एन वी गेटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ साइड बी एन विल बी इक्वल ऑफ वेक्टर बी साइन थीटा, इक्वेशन नंबर सेकेंड। एंड ए एन will be equal of b cos theta, equation number third. Okay student, we getting the value of bn and getting the value of an. Now what is the mean of on? Now on, time to define the on. Side on will be equal of oa plus an. On equal to OA. OA will be equal of A and AN. The value of AN will be equal of B cos theta, equation number 4. Okay student, now we taking the triangle OBN. We take a triangle OBN. Here 90 degree angle will be equal of theta. Sorry, angle will be equal of alpha. OBN in triangle OBN by use of Pythagoras theorem, because here angle will be equal of 90 degrees. That means that this triangle is a type of right angle triangle. In the case of the right angle triangle, we can consider Pythagoras theorem. What is the meaning of the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square, that means OB square equal to perpendicular square, that means BN square plus base, that means ON square. Okay student, now we putting the value of OB. OB will be equal of vector R. OB will be equal of vector R, such that vector R square equal to Bn. The value of Bn will be equal of B sin theta. B sin theta whole square, and On will be equal of A plus B cos theta whole square. Okay student, now capital R square will be equal of B square sin square theta. The formula of A plus B whole square will be equal of A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay student, 2AB. So R square will be equal of A square plus B square is a common factor. So we getting sin square theta plus cos square theta, and the remaining part will be equal of 2AB cos theta. Okay student, so finally by the identity of the class 10th, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta will be equal of 1. Then we getting the B square plus 2AB cos theta. Okay student, so final result square will be converted in the form of root. So we getting R will be equal of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Okay student, that is the final result. I hope you getting the proper solution related to parallelogram law of vector addition. मैं आपको एक बार और हर एक चीज रिकॉल कर देता हूँ. सबसे पहले parallelogram law. Parallelogram is a type of quadrilateral. That means इससे पहले मुझे क्या समझना पड़ेगा, ट्राइंगल. तो what is the vector addition law of triangle? Vector addition law of triangle, that means the opposite side will be equal of sum of another two sides. Opposite side, that means the direction. इसकी डायरेक्शन इन दोनों के ऑपोजिट है, तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ वेक्टर R will be equal of vector A and vector B. The direction of vector A and the direction of vector B both are same and opposite with respect to direction of R. Opposite side are known as resultant side. Okay student, now we draw a simple parallelogram. What is the proper definition of parallelogram? In any parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Let me consider these will be equal of OA. Let us consider OA will be equal of A and OB will be equal of B. Okay, student, let us consider OA equal to A and OB equal to B. So, by the property of parallelogram, we can written this will be equal of A, this will be equal of B. That means due to A, this will be equal of A, due to this B will be equal of B. Okay, student. Now, let me consider a perpendicular through the point B. BN is a perpendicular on a line ON. Perpendicular, that means the angle will be equal of 90 degree. Let me consider angle with the diagonal will be equal of alpha by use of the corresponding angle alpha. So angle A will be equal of alpha. Let angle between the two sides of the parallelogram will be equal of theta. Okay, student. Now, okay, by use of the sin theta and cos theta in the triangle A and B, sin theta that means a perpendicular upon hypotenuse and cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse. Then we getting the value of B and N A N. मुझे ये पार्ट निकालना है. दैट मीन्स ओ एन विल बी इक्वल ऑफ ओ ए प्लस ए एन. सो ओ एन विल बी इक्वल ऑफ ओ ए प्लस ओ ए दैट मीन्स ए and a n that means b cos theta. Okay, student, then we getting the o n will be equal of a plus b cos theta, and already we getting the value of b n such that in a triangle OBN by use of the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square will be equal of perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, then we getting the value of capital R, that is the final result to define a diagonal or vector addition of the parallelogram law. Now, student, the last part of the derivation, angle between two sides of parallelogram. Tan theta. What is the property of the tan theta? Tan theta, that means a perpendicular by base, such that BN perpendicular upon base, that means a ON, such that tan theta equal to perpendicular, that means a BN, and the value of BN will be equal of B sin theta, and value of ON, the value of ON will be equal of A plus B cos theta. Okay, students. So finally, theta will be equal of tan inverse B sin theta whole by A plus B cos theta. That is the resultant formula to get a angle between the two sides of the parallelogram. I hope, student, you getting the proper solution related to parallelogram law of vector addition. Thank you so much to watching this YouTube channel of Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajuda. Student, please like, subscribe and also study from our channel.